I'm in a bit of a predicament, stranded in the middle of the ocean with only a paddleboard and my camera. Don't really know what I'm meant to do. I can't even stand up here because it's so deep, and I just fell in. Life is good. We've come to the beach. I've seen these. I am fancying to go on one of them. I think it says, what is it, 200k for an hour. Fucking yes please, let's go find him. Oh, really want to go on one of these. I'm assuming it's this guy here. Excuse me boss, can I go on one of these? Is it 200k? Sorted. Got our own little paddle and everything. Oh, let's go. Make sure I've got nothing in my pockets. I've done one of these before, but it's been on like a bit of a lake and not moving water. Actually, that's a lie. I did do one in Liverpool once, and I fell off. That's because of my little brother. Thank you, brother. Just get this thing wrapped around my ankle. Oh, it's nice and soggy already. Let's go. I'm not sure how deep we're allowed to go in with this. Get that there. Let's hope you don't fall because I've not got my handle with me. That was really a very bad start, wasn't it? Try and get your straps in there. Nice and tight. I have managed to come out to sea. Oh, fucking hell. We're not particularly very far, but I'm quite proud of myself. I do want to try and stand up. Yeah, let's try and stand up and then... Oy. Why is this so difficult? But I am stood up. I don't think I can paddle. I'll end up falling in. Should we try? It's gonna be quite hard with the camera. One-handed paddle. Oh, yeah. Look at me go. Just go in one. We're turning one. Fuck. I can't stop shaking now. Oh, it's so deep as well. I can't stand up. Oh, Jesus. Honestly though, nearly feeling again. Since coming here and just being able to do dumb shit like this and chill here for hours, it makes you just not want to go back home. Because why would you? Why would you go back home when you can sit here or lie here, have a beer, just fucking chill in the middle of the ocean? Who would want to go back? Not me, not this guy. So I've just been laid down here for maybe like 5 minutes. I didn't realise how far I drifted. Oy. So if we look over there, so I don't know if you can see, so just there is where I started. And I went past that boat when I came out, and now I'm here. It's a good thing I didn't fall asleep because I could have been fucking 10 miles that way and no one would ever see me again. What a shame that would have been. Look at the little fitties. I did think this was going to be a bit more fun than this. It is relaxing, it's a nice chilled thing to do, but there's not really much to do. If maybe Austin had come out as well, it might have been a bit better, but he didn't want to be his little bitch, so just on my own, chilling on the sea. I'm quite hungry now actually. No, I just ate, I'm being fat. That is one thing I've done so much since being away, is I eat so much, but I don't seem to put on any weight at all. I think I was 80 kg when I came out, and now I'm like 76, 76, fucking hell, losing 14 kg in 2 months, that would have been horrible, but no, I'm so thin. And I can't tell if it's because I'm eating foods that are better for me and aren't as processed, or if it's because I'm sweating so much that I'm just losing water weight. I've got no idea. But look at that plane. Look how low it is. Wow. I did not realise the airport was just there. It is quite a small island, Fukok. If you are looking just for some place to chill and just lounge around, not really do anything, this is the place. There's so many beach bars all along there. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they literally stretch all the way down. I think this is called Long Beach, which is a pretty simple name to give it, considering it's just a long beach, but makes sense. Yeah, if you're just looking to chill out, this is the place to come. It's very similar to Koh Lanta in Thailand, where the nightlife isn't the greatest, but if you're just looking for some place to chill, have some food, lounge around in the sun, definitely come here. It's pretty good, man. I actually think that over there, I keep switching topics so much. Something's definitely wrong with me. I'm on the spectrum, maybe, who knows. But that right there, I think, is a floating market. I would try and go out to it, but just from getting from where fuck me, I can't talk. Just from getting from the shore to here has tired me out so much. I don't think I could make it there and back. It's a good what? 300 meters, 500 meters maybe. I don't trust myself to be able to do that and not die. I do actually want to try and see if I can touch the bottom. However, I've got a feeling this thing that's attached to my leg, it's just not going to let me sort of go further. Actually, it's quite elastic. Maybe it would. But I'm seeing those. I don't know if you can see those people that are in the water there, but they're maybe 20 feet out, if that, and they're up to their shoulders. So I don't know if I could touch the bottom. Should we give it a go? Oh, I can see the bottom. Oh. Never mind. Well, let's do it anyway. I'm stood up. But that sort of ruins the whole... I'm tangled up in the fucking thing as well. It sort of ruins the whole vibe that I was going for. I wanted to see if it was deep enough or not, but... Never mind. What a cool viewing experience. Can we swim like this? Oh my god, we can. Let's go. We're going back that way. I feel like a surfer. I doubt you could surf on this though. I feel like it's too heavy, too big. And I feel like this would hurt if it hit you as well. It's quite hard. I don't know. Let's go. I'm gonna be so tired after this. Deep strokes. Deep strokes. Cody Maverick. I'm 17 and I love to surf. Cody's me, bro. Let me be me. I feel like I'm a surfer dude right now. All I need is some like blonde hair that's just been sea washed, and to have what else do surfer people do? Yo, bruh. That was fucking cringe as shit. Jesus Christ. Oh, kill me. What? Oh, I'm drifting. I'm drifting loads. It's in my eye. Obviously, I know seawater is very, very salty, but every time it gets in my eye, it baffles me how much it hurts. I don't know if that's just me, but genuinely, I feel like my eyes are gonna go red now as well. Can you see? Wait. I don't know if you can see that. And the wind keeps blowing me. Long strokes, just like Big C Tommy. To be fair, my favourite character in Surf's Up is Chicken Joe. I actually dressed up as Chicken Joe for Halloween, and my partner, Brianna, dressed up as Cody, and we went to a party like that. I thought it was pretty cool, pretty sweet, pretty cute. Oh god, it's pissing me off now. Oh, there's another plane! Plane! Woo! What do you actually reckon the amount of sharks are in waters in Vietnam? I don't reckon there's that many. I reckon maybe you've got some fucking weird looking sharks, and maybe a tiger shark or a bull shark. I don't know though, because Indonesia has quite a lot of sharks, and it's not, relatively speaking, it's not very far away from Indonesia. Oh. Some biologists though, marine biologists, let me know how many sharks there are in Vietnam and how many can kill me. That'd be quite cool. Cool to know what can kill me in this sea that I'm currently stranded in, because I can't seem to get over there because I keep drifting further and further fucking away. Honestly, I've been paddling for probably about 10 minutes. I started paddling from just there, I don't know if you can see that orange boat, and now I'm here, and I'm knackered, I've maybe gone, how far is that? 30 metres, and I can't be arsed. I can't be bothered anymore. My back's hurting from the sun. I mean, what am I complaining about? Stop being a bitch. Ah, spin us round. Come on. Whoa. There we go. Let's go. Nice. I actually reckon it'd be quicker walking along the floor of the ocean and just dragging the paddleboard with me. Truthfully, I feel like that'd be quicker. I tried it. I can't stand up, so I'm now swimming back to the shore. I wish I got that. I was so confident this was where I could stand up, and I can't. But they're stood up over there. I don't get it. How far have I got to go for this? Surely. Oh, okay, there we go. Right. Let's give this a go. Try and drag it back. Conclusion. It is faster, but you get a lot wetter. It's a sacrifice that I'm willing to pay for this though, because it's now pissing me off how long it's taken to get there. So, fuck. Once I'm back, you'll see me soon. Hopefully. I mean, at this rate, probably not, because I'm gonna drown. So I rented this for an hour. 45 minutes of it has been me trying to get back to where I came from. Ugh. I'm still yet to be there. It's after that boat. I'm now walking in the shallow bit, so it's a lot easier. I should have done this from the start. But it's still so tiring. Whoa, I nearly fell over. I actually don't know. I know it's after that boat, but I don't actually know where after. I think I've still got ages to go. Oh, we found a mermaid. We have found a mermaid. What the hell? According to Google's AI, the amount of people, let me turn my brightness up. Oh, it's already all the way up. The amount of people that get lost at sea every year is it going to focus? Where's the number then? It was just there. 375,000. That could have been me. I could have been dead. But luckily I'm not. I'm sat on the beach, having a good time. We're going to wait until the sun goes a bit further down before we get on the jet skis. I'm looking quite cool right now. Headphones on, sunglasses on, fresh. I'm actually quite excited for these jet skis. I've not been on one in a long time. And it's not too choppy either, the water. So I'm not going to get thrown about everywhere. I can actually enjoy what's going on. Hopefully. We hope. I am meant to be going on the jet ski right now because the sun is setting, but I can't be bothered. I really can't be bothered. Austin's gone, that's him, just over there. I don't know if you can see him. Right there. But I'm just not in the mood. I'm fucking well tired after that paddleboarding stuff. I've just been lay here reading a book for the past, what time is it? Like 2 hours. Just watching YouTube and listening to music. I just don't feel like getting on a jet ski. Sue me. I think tonight we'll go into some club or bar that's opening up. Oh my god, I'm so miserable. What is wrong with me? I'm 23. I'm abroad. I should be partying and drinking. No, I shouldn't. My liver would not like that. He's actually screaming it right now saying, Reese, fuck off. Don't want that. Nice and refreshing. That was actually a bit of a big mistake because the sun's away and now I'm a bit cold. Oh well, it was fun. You only live once in that. I lied. We're going on a jet ski. Austin said it was really good. Now I'm feeling jealous. Can I get a jet ski, brother? Yes, jet ski. Let's get this. Oh, I'm checking up. Oh, it's all wet and sweaty. How do you clip it in? Must be an idiot. Probably. is our jet ski. There we go. And sprayed with water everywhere. Ah, what a fucking lovely place though. Bumpy, just a little bit. I'm getting a bit wet here. Well, getting a bit wet, obviously. I can't fucking see. Just as the sun's going down on a jet ski in the middle of the fucking ocean. What more can you want? Honestly though, look at this. Absolutely unreal. Like, what is this? Just amazing. Could not ask for anything better, genuinely. Time to come back in now. Home time. Yeah. Our time is done. It's only 10 minutes, but it was still very good, I think. Still a very good time. Very good, thank you, boss. Oh. Thank you, brother. Oh. Step off here. Oh. Sick. What an elegant way to get off a fucking jet ski. Oh. Let's get this life jacket off and get back to Austin. Oh. Just had to wash all that sand off before falling in the fucking sea. Then meet this guy. Honestly, jumped off that thing there and just fell straight back onto my arm. Oh, did you? Yeah. Sick. So, bloody brilliant. It was alright, to be fair, it was quite fun. Probably end it there for today. It's been quite an activity-based day, which has been quite nice. For the past couple of days we've not really done much, so it's been nice to get out and actually do something and be active. But I think this is a fitting end for the vlog today. Nice beautiful scenery on the beach. Yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.